Alright guys, I got a Jeep Renegade here, 2016 model. So I changed the thermostat. After I finished at the thermostat, what happened was I took all this shit apart here and I checked every single fuse. So I had no heat, no AC, no blower motor. None of these functions here worked, okay? Nothing worked here. It gave me codes. I'm gonna show you the codes at the end of the video. I took a snap of it on my phone. It says something about these blower and everything, and all kinds of these, everything started to flash here, all kinds of crazy codes. It said circuit for blender high, blower high, and I'll show you guys the code. So what I did was I took everything apart, took this out, took the battery out, took everything out, and what I did was I disconnected this. Both of these terminals came out, and I disconnected this battery terminal here came out. I took out the battery completely, and all I did was I put everything back together, and I noticed this right here did not make a good contact right here, and that caused all kinds of crazy issues. It made me go crazy, check every single fuse, and I'm all set done now. If you guys have that issue, you might want to look into that. So you guys don't go banana. And also the fan didn't work, so your car might overheat. I don't know what this is gonna do, but make sure you double check these cables, okay? And I'm all set, I'm all done. Thank you for watching, guys, and hopefully help somebody out. And if you guys got those codes, any codes related to body module, and I was not able to communicate with the HVAC system, okay? That was another thing. I put my scan tool on and it did not communicate with the HVAC system. So I'm gonna show you the codes. I probably already have, but thank you for watching.